Ni hao and welcome back to my last vlog. My name is Timo Bolte. I am from London. I'm an event stylist and party planner. I'm just showing you my world of beautiful hotels, supercars and flowers. And now for the Chinese New Year, I want to show you a funny different hand-tie bouquet just to impress your guests or someone you just want to visit. So as the base idea, I saw this Chinese Lampions, normally for a hanging function, but this time I want to make a hand-tie bouquet in combination with this beautiful Graspedia from the Netherlands, from Manjipa. So if I take these Lampions, I'm just sticking the Graspedia through it to have a kind of a handle, and then some more together are already creating me this beautiful bouquet effect. I'm adding some of the foliage and the greenery, like this big spoon, just to support the Lampions and give it a bit more stability, so they're not too much dancing around. But I want to make it quite reduced, quite simple from the materials, not too many different, more like focusing on the theme of the New Year's, of the red and the yellow goldish. Plus I want to add those beautiful clematis just as a contrast to this red and yellow, and I really like them because they are so dancing and elegant. So I'm just filling those gaps between the lampions with the stems from the flowers. I'm adding some more of the Gaspedias, jumping out of this bouquet. And these clematis are really nice. They're super elegant, super long. When we remove many of the leaves, they are quite long lasting. So look at this quality, they are just amazing. And I'm pretty sure when you show up somewhere with a bouquet like this is something no one has seen before. I like to include unusual materials in my flower designs just to surprise and show designs no one has seen before. When you get your flowers, just make sure they are a few hours in water so they can actually soak water and get more energy. Then, as you can see, we are very quick filling up already those gaps. You're getting really light dancing bouquet. This could also be a design if you think about balloons, or if you think about some other lampions which are not necessarily Chinese New Year's lampions. When you think about these paper lampions, quite often used for birthday parties or something like this. So you can make some seasonal fun designs for other occasions too. But I thought now for the New Year's, when you visit your family or friends and neighbors, it can be a little bit of traditional inspiration, but in a very modern interpretation. And having these Graspedias as a bold moment, and to have a little bit of this goldish inspiration. And you can see I'm adding groups of it, because flowers never grow alone. Flowers always come together in groups. No one likes to be single, so allow the flowers also to be in groups in your design. And then just to give it a little bit more of a signature and of a New Year's element, I'm adding another lampion in here, which has already a wire in the end, so I can add it to my bouquet. And then in the end, take a paper covered wire or a string or whatever you have, tie it really, really tight so it's not moving anywhere. You can see we have a very nice clean spiral, so make sure there's nothing under the tying position, which keeps the bouquet. Long lasting. We cut them all on the same length, and then we have a beautiful bouquet to show up and wish you a happy new year. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to see you in another episode of my blog. Just leave down your comments, press subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you and see you soon.